On this video, we are going to be reviewing the Tolaccea Travel Backpack 40 to 45 liter. My name is Kelley of Bill and Kelley's Adventures, and we love to travel. We actually just got back from Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. We went to the Joa Iberia store. When Tolaccea reached out to us and asked if we would review this backpack, I was excited about it. I'm always scared that they're gonna lose our suitcase, so I try to pack some clothes in our backpack, and then I have a separate suitcase. I'm not a minimalist travel person, so if you're looking for how to minimalize your travel, that is not going to be me. I am getting better. But I am a what if person. I take so many what ifs. This past trip, I probably took the least amount of stuff that I have ever taken. While I was able to put all my clothes in this backpack, but when you're going to an all-inclusive, there's things that we take, travel mugs, water bottles, we even take a float with us. But because we have to take all that extra stuff, we do take an extra suitcase. But for this video, I did pack all my clothes that I was taking. I laid them all out. I packed them all in their packing cubes and I put it in here and it did fit. So if I had a chance, this bag definitely would give me the best chance not to take a suitcase. While they did sponsor this video, this was 100% my opinion. This bag it feels very well made. It has tons of compartments. It's like they thought out a lot of scenarios, because the other bag that I had, while it opened up like a clamshell, once you closed it, it was hard to get to the clothes unless you had a place to lay it down and open it up. They actually have a small zipper at the top so that if you want to access that clamshell area, you can access it quickly and grab something in and out. So you could just put something if you needed to get it out quickly at the top, and that zipper allows you to do that. There's also this big compartment in the front. I put my jacket in here. I liked having this extra spot that you could put stuff in and out. It's even got a zipper compartment up here that would be perfect for your phone because it has really soft material in there, and you could put something in there that you were worried about getting scratched. This bag has 4 compression straps on the sides that you have to undo to open it up. You could leave the bottom 2, but if you're gonna open it all the way up, you need to take the other ones off because they can get in the way of the zippers. They have this big waterproof area, and it's even got like the cool logo here is a ventilation for this area, so that if you were packing up to leave to come home and you had a wet bathing suit or something like that, you could pack it in here and keep it from getting the rest of your clothes wet. Then you actually have on each side these unique little pockets. We put obviously our tickets in there. But it was like a great little tall little section. Anything really long that you wanted to put and have quick access to, you could do that. Bill put his passport and his tickets in here for quick access. And there's 2 of these pockets. There's one on each side. And this one has like a little extra pocket inside there. And it even has like a little clip if you had something that you wanted to hook in there. Then you have the big part that you open up that has the clamshell. I love this. I put my laptop in here. It fit perfect. This just hooked over. And I have to say that this protects your laptop really good. This had gotten leaned up against the back of my hatch on my car. And when I opened it, it fell out and landed flat on the laptop right back here. So I don't know how it didn't break. I literally was about to cry. So I'm glad that this is padded back here, because otherwise my laptop would have been destroyed. Then it's got like another pocket in here that's just open. Then it even has this little mesh pocket here that you can unzip and put stuff in. Has another pocket up here that you can get into quick access, and it's got several little compartments there. This is where you open up to get to the main part. This bag has a lot of structure to it, and I've even seen some places where people stack their clothes up. I think you could stack it up in there that way. And if you have the smaller cubes like this one, like literally you could probably put 8 or 9 of these smaller cubes. We just have a couple of them, so I had to pack mine a little bit different. But another thing that I liked about this is so that it can stand up like this, there is this bottom, I guess you would call it, that you can fold down, and it will definitely make this way more sturdy. The only negative to this bottom is if you put the bottom down, then where the shoes come in from the bottom, the shoes won't fit in there because that takes up room. Even though I kept this down, I could still put 2 pair of sandals under the shoe part, and it worked fine. Just wouldn't fit Bill's shoes because they would have needed to come up inside of the bag, but then that would take up room for some of your clothes. But this is where I was talking. It has this compartment across the top that you can access this quickly too. Another great thing about this was it is expandable. So it can go from a 40 liter to a 45 liter. So what I did when I packed this is I packed it without expanding it and then closed it all up. And then we came home, I packed extra stuff in here and expanded it. And that gives you room to buy souvenirs, or if you buy things or get more things and you need more room. When you expand this, it gives you a ton more room. I was able to lay 2 more packing cubes on top of the stuff that I had in here once I expanded it. I think this bag is very sleek looking. I think it's very classic. It looks really good. The logo is nice, but it is useful. It has a lot of handles to grab it so that if you put it in the overhead bin, it has a handle here you can grab it from. It has like these suitcase handles that you can carry or hold or help you grab it out of the overhead bins. There's even like a little handle on the back if you needed to pick it up that way. This has a breathable back. Bill said that his back did not get really super sweaty or anything, and we were in the Dominican, so it was super hot. It also has like a place if you wanted to take some carabiners and hook some stuff to. It has these little areas that you could do that as well. It is super comfortable. It is great because it has these adjustable straps so that you can adjust it. And then it has these straps that you can adjust as well so that you can tighten it down. And then it has this center strap. This does not have a belt strap on this one. I don't feel that a belt strap is a must. And then it's even got like a little hook on here that if you wanted to hook something on here, you could definitely do that. It fits very well. Like I said, Bill carried this one. I really think my only negative would be that if you stuffed this and filled it up all the way, it makes it a little bit big to put it under the seat in front of you, which Bill does not like to do that because he likes to have the leg room. So he typically always sticks this in the overhead bin. And if it's expanded, I don't think that it would ever get under the seat. It also I think they were calling it a toiletry bag or something. But what I did is I packed this in our suitcase and I put Bill's shoes in there. It is super big, and then it has the smaller zipper on the front that you could put stuff in it as well. It's a really big extra bag that they give you, and it has that same ventilation logo on it as well. I want to thank Tolaccea for reaching out and wanting to sponsor this video. I will leave a link in the description box below, and I have a promo code for you for 20% off, and it is Adventure. So if you use the link below, it is an affiliate link, and that helps us keep making more videos like this. I think this is a great bag if it's somebody that's wanting to travel, but you don't want to take a suitcase. I believe almost anybody should be able to get at least 4 or 5, maybe even 6 days worth of clothes. There was a lot more space once I started packing this than I thought. I mean, I just kept being able to put more stuff in there. And even coming back, Bill said I had it packed to the max because, hey, that's what we're here for. We're to test this out and make sure that it works for real life. He said that it did not feel that heavy when it was on his back. Thank you so much, Tolaccea, for sponsoring this video. Till next time, like and subscribe.